Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up and use the web-mounted Android mobile app with the web-mounted Remote Universal Controller, also called the RUC. One comment before we start. You must, I repeat must, have a web-mounted RUC in order to use this app. If you don't have a RUC, don't bother. The app won't do anything for you. This tutorial assumes you have already set up buttons on the RUC control panel. For details on how to set up buttons and the control panel itself, see our YouTube video tutorial on triggers and the control panel on the RUC. So first we need to add the app to the Android device. Go to the Play Store and search for Home Automation Controller by Web Mountain. Install the app, then open it. You will see an About screen. Read the screen, then click OK. Now you are in the settings for the app. In the first text box, Remote Host IP, type in www.wmtremote.com:XXXXX, where XXXXS is the RUC's remote address as provided to you when you purchased your RUC. This will be on the index card that was included in the enclosure, the box for the RUC. This is the entry that will allow you to use the app from a remote network. Next, for the local host IP, type in the local IP address of the RUC on your local network. It'll be something like 10.0.0.100 or 192.168.1.100. On our test network here that I set up for this demonstration, I have the RUC set at 10.0.0.205. Now the next step is important. Make sure your mobile device is connected via Wi-Fi to the same local network as the RUC. This we will call your home network. Now press the current button. You will get a pop-up telling you that location permission is required in order to get the currently connected Wi-Fi network name. This location information is never sent to a server or shared with any other party. Assuming you accept this, click Accept. Now you will get another pop-up asking you to allow the app to access this device's location. Click on While using the app. Notice now that the local network name is automatically filled in with the Wi-Fi name that the mobile device is connected to. This is our test network, and it automatically populated us to that. The reason for using location services is as follows. You can access the RUC using the app either locally or remotely. Locally means when your mobile device is connected to the same local area network as the RUC. When the device is connected to this network, the app knows to use the local host IP network settings. If the mobile device is connected to any other network, it knows to use the remote host IP settings. Using location from the device tells us what network the device is connected to. This makes it easy for the app to connect to the RUC with no intervention required by the user. Next, enter in the user. We suggest the user admin and the password for that user. Then choose a background theme color of your choice. The default is blue. Now click Accept. You'll now see page 1. The mobile app merely mirrors what was set up in the RUC control panel. There are 10 pages of 10 buttons each available to you for a total of 100 buttons. You access the pages from the bottom Just scroll across the buttons and you can rename the buttons whatever you want. By default, they're going to show up as pages numbers 1 through 10. If there is a problem with the app connecting to the RUC, you will get a pop-up saying the app was unable to connect to the RUC. If you see this, it almost always indicates bad entries in the settings menu. Go back into settings and confirm your settings are correct. As a final comment, again, the location information and Wi-Fi name never leave the app and mobile device. This information is not collected and never sent to a third-party server. This information only resides on the app and the mobile device itself. Thanks for watching this video, and contact us if you need any further assistance.